people really talk about it, which is the idea of sharing money. Now you should learn how to share money. And how do I mean by that? The money you're looking for is actually in people's pocket. If you have a business and you're not doing social media advertising, you are leaving some money on the table. Those people you look for online, they are still around you. There are so many ways you can share money. I don't want to talk, it's not just peculiar to web design or any particular discipline. Hello guys, so today I'm going to give you one of a very important skill you should possess among so many other skills. A lot of people are online talking about how to actually make money. But this particular thing I'm going to talk about, a lot of people really talk about it, which is the idea of sharing money. Now you should learn how to share money. How do I mean by that? You see, the economy now, in fact, the internet has made it possible that you can become a middleman in so many aspects of life. All you need to know is just the basics of that particular thing. Take for instance, I've shared money with a lot of middleman or freelancer web designers. Alright, they just get the job, I deliver for them. They have few knowledge of web design, so they just get the job. My team and I will just deliver. They get paid and they make their clients happy. Alright, and if you go outside, the money you're looking for is actually in people's pocket. You see all these adverts you throw online, you're expecting people to click and you're expecting people to it works. Alright, internet adverts, social media advertising is now what is happening now. In fact, if you have a business and you're not doing social media advertising, you are leaving some money on the table. But that notwithstanding, you see those human beings you find online are still around you. Your neighbor, where you go to eat, where you go to play football, where you go to have your social activities, those people you look for online, they are still around you. So you can leverage on that. That particular money you're looking for may be in just your neighbor's pocket. And you guys have not found that because you guys have not started talking. You'll be amazed at what you'll be finding out from your neighbors, people that are around you. Once you guys start talking and people start talking about what you do, you see how many ways you both now can share money. There are so many ways you can share money. I don't want to talk, it's not just peculiar to web design or any particular discipline. All right, I met a guy recently and he's into tech too, though he has his own discipline, and currently we are working on sharing money because he has brought his expertise and bringing my expertise, and we are creating something that can service the masses, people that need it. All right, so collaboratively now we are going to be sharing money. Share money, very, very important. A lot of people hardly talk about it, but if you're starting off in business, you'll be doing business maybe on your own. Gradually, you'll be pulling in people. Then the next thing is meet people, collaborate with people, share money. And there's no money as sweet as the money you're sharing. Sometimes you don't even have to do anything, just because of the simple fact that you know who is offering the service and who needs the service. You'll be in the middle and you share money. You collect money. You did not work. You just introduce somebody to somebody. I think middleman should be considered one of the most lucrative business now in Nigeria. Like, people should actually see middleman as a career, because you see a lot of people have middleman in so many transactions and I'm involved with, and sometimes they even make more money than people that are involved in the transaction. Simply knowing who needs the service or somebody that offers the service is a big talent. All right, connecting people together to do business is a big talent, and some people are actually becoming so good with it. So you can make money basically from anything: real estate, tech, name it, just by knowing somebody that is reliable on those services and knowing somebody that needs that service. So we should consciously try to explore that area. Share money, very, very important.